I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting now. Unlock the iPad and open Settings so you can change the alert quickly. Once in Settings, tap Notifications and scan the list to find the app that issued the critical alert. You do this because critical alerts bypass Do Not Disturb and sound even on silent. Identifying the specific app lets you target the source rather than toggling global sound settings. Make sure to keep the iPad connected to power if battery is low. Then select the app to continue. Now focus on the app's notification controls. Tap the app name and find the critical alert switch. You should toggle critical alerts off to stop the urgent sound, or keep them and disable sound or banners if you still need passive notices. This works because critical alerts are a separate permission granted by the system. Changing it removes the override that made it loud. Once done, confirm the change and exit settings so the system can apply the updated permissions immediately. Finish by verifying the fix. Wait for a scheduled notification or ask the app to send a test alert so you can confirm critical alerts no longer sound. If the alert persists, restart the iPad to clear any cache states, then recheck the app's critical alerts toggle because temporary glitches occur. As a last resort, reset all settings to restore notification defaults. This removes saved Wi-Fi and preferences, but often resolves stubborn notification permission issues. Use it only if simpler steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.